Happy Monday, you guys. Welcome back to another LiveLeanTV lifestyle vlog. Hopefully you've been enjoying these. On today we have some great stuff to share with you. First, we're starting with a Coach Brad workout.
30-minute workout at the track, and the full workout is on the blog as well. We'll link it up down below.
Then I'm gonna share with you some skincare tips, things that I wish someone had told me sooner than later, things I've learned the hard way, and then also sharing like what products I use for my face. We have a great recipe to finish off with, so you can figure out what to make for dinner tonight.
Slow cooker. Yeah,
so easy. So hopefully you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you at the end. Make sure to stay tuned all the way to the end of the video to find out who wins this 60-minute swag contest for commenting in the first 60 minutes of the video, and who the subscriber winner is for the week.
All right, I'm just getting ready to head to the track. I'm gonna do a 30-minute track workout today. I'm just waiting for Kyla actually to wake up from her nap, and I'll see if she wants to come with me. This is a 30-minute metabolic workout. It's gonna do circuit format. We're gonna do, I think, about 4 to 5 exercises, and it's gonna get you guys sweaty, full body. Let's go.
One thing I want to talk to you about today is your skin. If you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen I offer some of my favorite skincare tips on there. I get a lot of questions. Sometimes people are like, whoa, your skin looks great, what are you doing? And they want to know what I use. So I did a poll on there, and I was like, would you guys be more interested in skincare tips for face or for body? And it was pretty much like 70-30, and more people were interested in facial skincare. So I'm gonna quickly touch over body skincare, and then I'll also tell you what I use for my face and offer you some advice that I wish people had offered me when I was younger. I feel like I struggled so much with my skin, and that's why I know what it's like to not feel confident in your skin and to be really like frustrated. I had a lot of acne when I was in my 20s, and it lasted all the way into my early 30s. So I wish that I could have avoided 10 years of skin frustration, and if I had known then what I know now, I think I could have avoided a lot of it. So I thought it might be helpful if I sit down and share with you some of the tips and rules that I've learned with skincare that have really made the whole situation better for me. First, let's talk body skincare. You guys know I just finished my second pregnancy, well, 4 months ago. He's almost 5 months old now. So I am still in the postpartum phase of my tummy shrinking back. And here's one thing I do to help my belly skin stay elastic and smooth and not so wrinkly. This is the oil that I swear by, argan oil. This is 100% organic argan oil, and I buy it from Trader Joe's for $6. Super affordable, and it's good quality. I love it. So here's what I do. Put a drop, like that amount, and I just squeeze it onto my belly skin, and then I rub all around the sides and the front, and sometimes even the back too. Just gonna moisturize the entire core situation there. It just keeps it really hydrated. So that's it. I do this usually morning and night, so twice a day. It helps keep your skin bouncy, elastic, less wrinkly. And yeah, I feel like my tummy skin has recovered pretty well after having 2 pregnancies. It is a little bit like looser maybe skin than it was before. Not too bad though, right? Not too shabby. So that tip has really helped me. I also did that all the way through the pregnancies, the whole 9 months that this guy was inside. Also the whole time Kyla was inside, I was religious about making sure that my belly stayed hydrated from the outside and from in. So I drink a lot of water as well. So if you're pregnant, even if you're not pregnant, or even if you're a dude and you're never gonna be pregnant, even if you've just lost weight and you have some loose skin on your belly, try oiling up your belly a couple times a day and see if it makes a difference for you. I also use any kind of oil. I use avocado oil, olive oil, even castor oil, just all over my body if I'm ever feeling dry. It gives such a youthful glow. I think it's such a great tip to know about, like using oils on your body. I think a lot of people just don't even think to do that. You would think of lotion, but maybe not think of oil. Okay, let's talk about facial skincare, because I know this can be a real struggle, especially for active people. Sweating skin is even a little bit more sensitive to breakouts than people who don't work out. So I think that's a part of the reason why I struggled with it in my 20s. I never really understood like taking good care and protecting my skin. I always thought that my skin needed to be like free of oils and completely like sucked dry and super squeaky clean. Every time you work out, you feel like your skin gets kind of sweaty and oily. I would like strip all the oils off. So I think that was a huge mistake I made, and I wish I had known better. But sweat is not actually what causes breakouts. I think the main cause is that your skin starts overproducing oil because you keep stripping the oils off. The better approach for your skin is actually to leave the natural oils on your face and not be so squeaky clean. So what I've really learned is to embrace oils and cleanse with oil and moisturize with oils. It's really made a big difference. So the products that you're using on your face, especially your cleanser, I think is a big thing. And then also the moisturizers. And if you're using any kind of like harsh astringents, that could be part of the problem, which is causing the acne flare-ups. At night, I remove my eye makeup with coconut oil. That is a life hack I wish I had known a decade ago. But then of course, I do recommend cleansing the coconut oil off, because if you leave coconut oil on, it might clog your pores. So I don't use coconut oil as a moisturizer, but I definitely do use it as a makeup remover. So for the products that I now use for my face, I'm a lot more picky about what goes on my face. And for me, it needs to be gentle and natural. So I'm not looking for any more like a chemical stuff. If I have a zit, I don't think like, oh, I gotta zap it. I think like more in terms of gentle skincare, and I'm like, treat the skincare right, help the balance. And then that's how I prevent breakouts now. Whereas in the past, I used to be like, oh, kill it. Like, you know, try to pop it and like put acid on it. I don't do that anymore. And I feel like that's made such a big difference for me. If you were still aggressively treating your breakouts, I highly recommend you start using something more gentle. So one product line that I found that I actually like everything from their line, is the stuff from Frey Skincare. It's pronounced Frey. And I gotta tell you the little backstory on how I received these and my experience with them and everything. This company reached out to me and they're like, hey, do you want to try our stuff and just see if you like it? And if you genuinely like it, you can share it with people who follow you for a discount. And I was like, really skeptical at the time, because I get a ton of offers like this and I usually say no thanks. But something about this was intriguing. I liked the fact that they said it was for sweating skin, like it's especially formulated for fit people. And it's all like natural ingredients. It's made with argan oil, which for me was like a huge bonus, because you guys know I love argan oil. So I gave it a shot, and I wanted to make sure that I really did love it before sharing it with anybody, because I am passionate about that. I'm not gonna tell you to buy something, like you guys are my friends. Like I'm not gonna tell my friends to buy things if I don't personally love and use them myself. So I wanted to see if it really was something that I loved enough to use every day. And definitely, like ever since I started using it, it just like, it's such a spa experience. Like the stuff smells so good. It's so gentle. So the first thing they ever sent me was the detox mask, and I still use this a lot. Can you see that? It's called Detox Me Wet Clearing Mask. So it's designed to use after you sweat, or if you feel like your skin needs some cleaning out. Actually falling in love with this cleanser more and more every time I use it. It smells amazing too, and it doesn't leave your skin feeling dry and tight. It leaves your skin feeling soft and clean. I follow that up at night by using the Revive Me. It's my favorite thing of all time. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I said if you only get one thing from the company, get the Revive Me, because this is a deep replenishing serum and it feels like silky baby's butt. It's so good, and it smells awesome too. It smells better than baby's butt. During the day, I use Protect Me, the sunscreen. Best face sunscreen I've ever tried, and it doesn't make me break out. So basically that is the set, and that is the deal with Frey. If you do want to try any of this stuff, I do have a 15% off discount code. You can use Jessica G. That just basically helps them know that you discovered it through me. So you can apply that code at checkout, and then you can get whatever you want from their store, whether you want to try the mask or the set or anything else. I also use their night serum too. So I have like my medicine cabinet full of this stuff, and I really truly do use it every day. I think I'm using like 7 of their products now. Really great stuff. So give that a shot if you're looking for something that's natural, that's gentle, that's gonna help clear breakouts and prevent future ones from happening. Because I really think that like nobody talks about skin as much as they should. For me, that was such a struggle through my 20s. On days when I had breakouts, I didn't even want to leave the house. I was so depressed about it. And it just makes you feel, made me feel like the opposite of confident. So if any of these little tidbits of advice can make a difference for you, that would make me so happy to see you not have to go through the struggles that I went through. I hope that this helped, and I'll see you later.
Keyword for the Ask LiveLeanTV show this week is hashtag meltdown.
Meltdown.
And the subscriber winner is this person right here. So if that is you, comment down below so we can confirm that you are the subscriber. You are the winner of Live Lean Meltdown. You guys, thank you so much for tuning into this vlog. We'll see you at the next vlog. Thanks for watching. And keep living lean. Make sure you click like, subscribe. Let's go.